Hello everyone, welcome back to our new report which we have released on the quarterly earnings result strategy. This time we have been covering three new stocks. First is Bank of India, the other one is Titan Industries, and the third one is Hindustan Unilever. First and foremost, we will be covering Bank of India. The bank is likely to deliver results on 30th of April, and we're expecting the PAT to grow by around 40% to around 698 crores. The only concern what we have in this bank is that in the last quarter, that is December quarter to 2011, the NPAs were as high as around 1.8%. That is something which we'll be watching for in these results in the last quarter. Else, we feel that the overall performance should be in line with the expectations. And out of the 4 quarters that the bank has reported the numbers, it has come out with the results which are better than the estimates for at least for the last 2 quarters as such. So overall, we feel that this time it could be more or less in line with expectations, but the NPA is something which we'll be watching out for.
Technical check on some of the stocks announcing their results in next few days. First off on our list is Bank of India. Bank of India has given a negative crossover on moving averages of 8 and 13, whereas the stock is also broken down below support zones, multiple support zones, and it is trading weak right now. Current market price is 334. Support 1 is at 310, whereas support 2 rests at 292. And resistance 1 could be kept at 350 and resistance 2 could be kept at 359. The call would be to sell Bank of India at 334 with a target of 310 and 292 with the stop loss being kept at 351.
The next company is Titan Industries, which we feel that the overall net sales is likely to grow by around 11.8% to 2002 crores, and the PAT is likely to grow by around 53% to around 133 crores, where the jewelry business is likely to grow by around 24% and the watch segment is likely to grow by around 18%. Though in terms of the overall operating performance, we feel that is going to be very strong for the company in the last quarter. If you look at the overall performance of the company's results in the last few quarters, in the last 7 times, with 7 out of the last 8 times, the company has beaten the expectations in terms of the PAT. So this time also we feel that the results could be more or less in line with the expectations.
The next stock on our list of technical check is Titan Industries. It would be announcing its results on 30th April. The stock is trading in an intermediate level right now. The current market price is 233. If we take, we can initiate both long as well as short calls depending on the market movements and if the stock is entering the buy zone or sell zone. Initiate long when it is close to the demand zone of 220 to 214. With a stop loss at 209, or we can initiate a short also if it gives us a bounce from the current levels, and it has a supply zone around 245 253. So once it reaches that zone, one can look to go short with a stop loss at 251. The moving averages, 8 days moving average is at 234, whereas the 13-day moving average is at 235.2. The current market price, as I said, is 233. Support 1 lies at 220.6. Support 2 lies at 213.9. Whereas resistance 1 is at 245.4 and resistance 2 is at 253.6.
The next company is Hindustan Unilever Limited. Friends, as we all know, that the company has been giving consistently strong performances for the last few quarters. Even this time we are expecting the company to deliver a strong volume growth, and hence we feel that the overall top line is likely to grow by around 17.6% to 5,763 crores, whereas the PAT is likely to grow by around 22.7% to around 620 crores. Now this strong top line is likely to be driven by a mix of the sales volume growth plus price increases which the company has taken in case of the fast moving consumer goods. Now, if you look at the overall food business, it is likely to grow by around 13% year on year, with a revenue growth in low to mid teens in the beverages and the food segment. HUL, as we all know, has given consistent performance. Even this time, what we feel is that as strong performances has been given, we feel that this time also the company is like to post some good results. So we will also have a technical check on that stock.
The next stock on our list is Hindustan Unilever Limited, which will be announcing its results on May 1st. The stock has just broken the uptrend line, which can be seen in the chart, but it is coming near a demand zone. So if it gives us a good opportunity, one can look to go long in that demand zone of 405 to 408 with a stop loss at 397.9 for a target of 423 and 430. The stock has 8 days moving average at 417.7 and 13 days moving average is at 417.1. So 8 days moving average is also trading above 13 days moving average, which is positive. So one can look to buy on dips for the stock with a target at 423 and 430. The current market price is 414. Support 1 lies at 398. Support 2 lies at 391. Resistance 1 lies at 423, whereas resistance 2 can be seen at 430 odd levels in Hindustan Unilever.
That's it, friends. We hope that the current strategy that we have come out with in the 3 stocks is likely to help you in trading those stocks as and when the companies come out with the results. We will be soon releasing another report for the new companies which are likely to come out with the results. So we will be updating you on that. Till that time, thank you.